What is the principle of least privilege? It's a key cybersecurity concept that limits a user's access to only the data, resources, and applications they need for their tasks. By restricting access, PoLP reduces security risks like malware spread and unauthorized data access. It also forms a foundation for modern security frameworks like Zero Trust Network Access, or ZTNA 2.0. How does it work? PoLP ensures that users, applications, or devices can only interact with what's necessary. For example, an employee working on financial data won't access HR files. This limits potential damage from breaches or misuse. ZTNA 2.0 enhances PoLP by dynamically identifying users, devices, and applications across all ports and protocols. This makes fine-grained access possible, eliminating reliance on broad IP ranges or outdated network constructs. Why is this important? It minimizes the attack surface, making it harder for attackers to find entry points. It prevents malware from spreading and improves operational performance by reducing breaches and downtime. Additionally, PoLP protects against human error. By limiting privileges, mistakes, intentional or not, are less likely to impact critical systems. PoLP isn't just for users. It's vital for modern apps.
ZTNA 2.0's App ID technology identifies applications and their functions,
enabling sub-app level access control. This is especially useful for managing dynamic SaaS apps. To implement PoLP, start by replacing outdated VPNs
with a modern ZTNA 2.0 solution like Prisma Access.
This approach aligns security with today's hybrid workplaces, ensuring seamless, secure access for managed and unmanaged devices. In summary, the principle of least privilege protects organizations by reducing risks, improving security, and enhancing operational performance. It's a crucial strategy for secure, efficient operations in today's complex digital environments.